Alright, Ray, so I went ahead and started pulling this thing apart, trying to figure out the misfire for cylinder number 6. I already swapped coils from, this is cylinder number 6 right here. I swapped 6 and 5 around. Misfire is still there, so I wanted to go ahead and pull the spark plug out of number 6 to see if we could find anything. And this is what I found. If I can see if we can get to focus. And put it right here. So let me see if it'll focus. Okay, let's try one more time. There we go. So it is full of oil, which is not good. But somebody, I don't know if it was an accident or on purpose. These prongs are actually, they're touching the electrode, so they're not making spark. I don't know why somebody would do that, or if it was done on an accident, or what happened here. So what I'm going to do is, I saw that you have some old spark plugs in the back. I'm going to go ahead and find one of those that look okay, and replace it in number 6. But the concerning thing is the amount of oil I see on number 6 would suggest that you probably have, I don't know. We'll cross that bridge when I get there. But we might have a ring issue for the piston. Again, I don't know. I'm going to replace the spark plug, see how it runs, see if she smokes, and we'll go from there.